Welcome to Team Rocket Garage. Today we are going to be unboxing these SR Performance throttle body and EGR spacer for the 79 to 93 Ford Mustang. These are for a 5-liter power plant, and without much further ado, let's get into it. We'll start with the EGR. So you can see we've got a nice foam packaging here. We'll remove this. Set that to the side. Comes with a manual and our gaskets right here. It does show how to install it on this little manual here. It looks like it's a standard 8x11 paper. Set that aside. We've got our American Muscle sticker that they stuck in here because that's who I bought it from. And then the reason that we're here. The SR Performance EGR spacer made of billet aluminum. You've got your water inlet, water outlet, and then your your EGR valve mount right here. We've got your throttle mount right here. This is of course made of anodized aluminum, and it looks to be of very good quality. I can still see some machining marks, but for the price, I think that it's absolutely acceptable. Let's move on to the throttle body. We'll go ahead and put this back in our box here. Place our gaskets and our sticker, our foam protector, and close up our box right there. To our next box, we have our cat right here who wants to be part of this. We open up our throttle body, remove our foam piece, set it to the side, and we have our throttle body right here with our gasket kit. These are likely for the throttle position sensor. They look to be too small for the idle air control valve. So we'll set this to the side and take a look at this. Now, this is the second one of these that I've bought. Now I have and we can actually zoom in here. Now I have a 70mm version of this on my Mustang. This will be for my Towncar. So moving on, we can see some machining marks on there. Very smooth action. Doesn't bind up at all, like it doesn't get hung up. Opens all the way to be perfectly straight there and seems to be relatively smooth. We have our Torx bits holding the butterfly blade in there. Our mount for our idle air control valve. And then we have our mount for our throttle positioning sensor, which does have a place to offset the perception of that throttle positioning sensor, which is great. This would be our PCV recirculation. And then over here we have our idle set hardware and such. Like I said, very clean movement, but you can see right here we have a idle set screw that we can utilize right there. And then we also have a bushing for cruise control, and then the knob for our throttle. On the Towncar, these are reversed, so I may have to get a little engineered with this. That being said, another thing to notice is this line right here that's drawn. Looks to be in Sharpie, but it does let us know that this nut is not moving. I really like that attention to detail. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe and follow us on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Our TikTok is team.rocket.garage. Our Instagram and YouTube is Team Rocket Garage. That's probably where you're seeing this. And thank you so much for watching.